Hello and welcome again to my cooking channel. Today we are making a cabbage and polony salad. For this salad I will need a cabbage. I will have to thinly slice it, and then I will have to chop my cucumber into half moons. You can also chop it in cubes. And now when I'm done with my cucumber, I will move on to my canned corn. You can also use frozen corn, but you'll have to boil it first. Now I'm putting my veggies together, my cabbage and my cucumber. And then I add my corn. Now we're adding our polony. I chopped it in cubes. And then we mix everything together. Now I'm seasoning it with aromatic. You can use salt. I'm also adding in some black pepper. And now we're adding our last ingredient. We're adding mayonnaise. In goes our mayonnaise, and then we mix again. Now our salad is ready to serve. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this a thumbs up. See you on the next video.